Mallard goes to Roanoke, Virginia, and seal handle to Rio Rancho, New Mexico. Okay, I gotta put a fresh battery for Mallard. Very nice. So I'm not making any more customs until next year. It's been very busy lately, but hopefully I will start making more customs starting new year. Of course, I have some Timothy the Ghost engines available on my online store, customtrackmasters.com. If interested, take a quick look on my website. Look at the face, very nice. Now the turn 4 seal handle, as you can see, these are the original decals. Also takes one AA battery, not included. Very nice custom, model. And it comes with this caboose or brake band. The engine is very smooth, very quiet, nice seal handle. Now this Mallard, it was a pre-order. Someone pre-ordered for Christmas, so sorry if it's shipping late, but we still have time for Christmas. Sorry guys, my PC broke up and so I cannot post so many videos lately, so no editing.